the pump track for a bit.
Tannery Knobs is a great place for any level of biker to visit. From extremely janky black trails to easy, flowy green, there is something there for everyone.
Oh, that's sick.
Kids and beginners will have a blast on the pump track and the green trail. For more experienced riders, Baby Flow and Mountain Express are the best trails for jumps and speed. But beware, because all but the green trail end somewhere on Chairlift, which is a difficult half-mile trail back up to the top.
Close, but not too.
For those that come for a challenge, I would suggest the two black trails, Posse's Club and Cumberland Braps. Both of these trails are steep and rocky, but Cumberland Braps is by far the easier of the two. You can check out an FPV video of Posse's Club on my channel.
Yeah.
Although every trail is under a mile, they still offer challenges and excitement, so if you're hesitating to come check it out, it will be worth your time.
Oh yeah. I gotta get a picture with that. I'm filming.
Tannery Knobs is an amazing bike park situated in downtown Johnson City. With fun trails and an amazing view, there is a lot to love. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.